and she'll take us through the customizing.
Thank you, Jamaica. Hello, everyone. Now it's time to create our own interactivity. And like Jamaica and I said before, the customization process looks alike for every interaction model. And the difference is in preparation time and the number of parameters to customize. And we hope that you will find this document showing the complexity level for each interactivity useful for you. And for this workshop, let me go with the easy interaction model because it takes just a few minutes to completely customize it. But like we said, the customization will look very much alike for all interaction models. Okay, so let's get ready for fun. But before I start, let's remember a big advice Jamaica gave us a few minutes ago. To collect all your media assets in advance before starting your customization. And it will really help to save your time and efforts. And as you can see, I collected my media assets for my customization process in advance. And I have all of them handy. Okay, so for our practice, I allocated an empty slide. This is where just with one click, I will insert my beautiful Flash interactivity. And Jamaica showed you how you can open Raptivity Presenter as a separate application. So I am already in my PowerPoint presentation, and I would like to quickly open Raptivity Presenter and then insert my new interactivity. That's why I go to Add-ins, Raptivity Presenter, and choose New Interactivity. And Jamaica already made an excellent tour of the interface. So let me just type the name of my interactivity in search box. And so we decided to go with easy one. Post-it note, it is. So first you will go through wizard customization, which helps you to quickly set up some initial objects. And let me do it right now. So first I'm asked to put the title. Okay, let it be Raptivity Presenter. Then I have an option to choose a time interval for my notes. And I see some helpful notes appearing on the bottom, which help me to decide what kind of time interval I want to go with. Let me choose 2000. And then the system asks me how many nodes I want to go with. Let's make it quick, and I choose 2 nodes. And now I'm ready to do further customization. So like I said, after the major elements are set up, you now will be led to the detailed customization. Okay. So let me first explore the interface of our customization tool. So like we mentioned before, the interface will be the same for all interaction models. So you can customize the interaction quickly through the editing area in the lower panel. And also input parameters on the left will show a range of settings. And on the right, there are some helpful tips in notes section for each option. And when I do any kind of change, even a minor one, it will be uploaded instantly in the top window right here. So you will always see the final result and can do some corrections with undo and redo tools during the customization process. Okay, let's see what else you can do with Raptivity Presenter. You can activate spell checker if you're planning to use a lot of text. And also you can go to interactivity view and choose fit to view option to fit your interactivity into the upper window. Also, you can go to global settings, click change global settings, and then set up your fonts, colors, and background images for your interaction model. And for example, you can go with this option if you have to follow your your company's corporate style requirements. And after you set up global changes, then click Apply Global Settings after you're done, and they will be applied to all features, all parameters within your interaction model. Also, one of standard features is the list of background themes. So you see we have several of them, and so you can use one of them if you don't have, for example, some handy background themes available. And let me quickly choose a new background, and like you see, as you see, it will be uploaded just in a second. And what is convenient is that the font color and instruction, if you decide to go with any instruction, will be changed as well to better fit the color of your new background. And finally, if you want to check how your interactivity will actually play, you can go to Quick View to play it. And it will be fully interactive. But while being in this quick view mode, you won't be able to manually move the objects within the interactivity. So to be able to do it, go back to Interactivity Editor. And here you can resize your objects, move them around, and so on. You see, I just moved my title and one of my notes in here. And okay, let's see what else I can change for this specific interactivity. And you see that this is just a simple form filling exercise. So I go through different options and just complete each of these areas. So you can add audio or video files for your interaction model. And the option to use video, for example, is not available for some interaction models. So please note that. And you should check our online guide to see if you can use video or not for this specific interaction model. And you can use browse button to search for files, for example, for your audio files on your computer. Or if you want to, you can also record your own narration using our embedded sound recorder. And after you're done with your recording, just click Save, and it will be saved on your computer, and later you can reuse it. Okay, let me just skip this audio for this specific interaction model, and let's go and explore our customization tool further. So also you can browse your computer for images you want to use. Just click this browse button and check for files on your computer. Also, you can use the embedded editor, which helps you to crop, rotate, flip, change dimensions of your image. Please note that our general recommendation is to get all media assets prepared in advance. And so this tool has, like you see, a limited functionality. So it's very good for just last-minute changes. And after you're done with your customization, just click Save, and this edited image will be saved on your computer. Okay, so what else can we do with our different details? Your texts can be formatted. So as you can see, formatting tool looks very similar to Microsoft Word. So you can change fonts, font sizes, colors, make it bold, italic, underlined, use bullets, or do some alignment, or decrease or increase indents. Sorry. Also, if you deliver in person, probably you will decide not to use any instruction. But if you distribute your presentations by mail or post them online, then probably you may want to put a quick instruction just in here on how to use this specific interaction model. So, and this approach, the same approach works for all audio files and images and all text within all your interaction models within Rocktivity Presenter. Okay, so let's see how else I can customize this specific interaction model. So I can decide on if I want to show or not note pins. Then I can change this pin color. Also set up time intervals. Also, I can quickly change the number of nodes if I want, for example, to increase it. Okay, and let me customize both nodes. I can decide on what kind of display type I want to go with. Also decide on what kind of node type. I want to use text only or image only. Let me go with text for this specific node. And let me quickly change my text. Oops, sorry. Okay, I want to quickly make it bold and center it. And like I said, it will be uploaded instantly here in my node. And also I want to quickly change my node to blue one. And you see now it's blue. Okay, let me go and similarly customize the second node. Let me leave it urgent. And I want to go with image now. I'm quickly browsing my computer and go to the folder I created to use one of these images. And you see it's been instantly uploaded in here, and I can move it a little bit or resize it if I want. Like I also can move, for example, pins as well. So all these objects here, except for, well, actually, yes, all these objects here in my interaction models can be resized or repositioned everywhere. And finally, let me just quickly make it this node pink, and I'm done. So let me quickly check how my interaction model looks like. I'm using Quick View right now. So, and here I can see how my interaction will look like after I embed it into my PowerPoint. And if I'm not satisfied with something and want to make some changes, I can go back to Interactivity Editor. So once the interaction is customized, let me save it. So I click Save to complete my customization. And then I'm saving it on my computer as a single Flash file. Let me just save it on my desktop. Okay, and now just with one click, here publish, I will insert my interactivity right in my PowerPoint slide. You see it here. So I can quickly resize it as well in my PowerPoint. And this is an animation, so it can be viewed only in slideshow mode. So let me go to slideshow mode. So as you can see, it took me just a few minutes to complete my customization, and now I have my fully customized interactivity with my new nice background, title, my nice looking two nodes, which include my own text and my images. And okay, let's